Yogakshemam 30th July 2020. Theme: Friends make all the difference. With respect to Corona, India is galloping, yet to slow down. We are still figuring out ways to coping with it. Our mantra continues to remain distance, mask, wash, immunity nutrition, working from anywhere. We are getting ready for the first steering committee meeting of the National Coalition for Natural Farming on 30th July. Steps forward. Union Cabinet approves the New Education Policy 2020. New Education Policy final copy for circulation is available. A landmark step ahead after 35 years towards 6% GDP for education. Kasturi Rangan Committee prevailed. Human Resource Development Ministry becomes Education Ministry. Key highlights from Livelihood, Poverty Reduction, Development for Poor, Vulnerable, Marginalized perspective include universal access to schooling at all levels, which is 3 plus 12-year schooling. Key principles include respect for diversity and local context, equity and inclusion, community participation, technology use, core essentials, conceptual clarity, critical thinking and creativity, holistic, interactive and experiential learning, continuous assessment and review. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure starting at age 3. Intermediate becomes part of the schooling. Schooling starts with nursery and kindergarten. Anganwadis become part of schooling. Schooling is for 3 to 18 years and includes foundation, preparation, middle, secondary. ECCE, which is Early Childhood Children Education, is to become part of school complexes, school education zones. No subject optional groups in secondary level. Flexibility and choice including arts, crafts, extracurricular, sports, coding and vocational skills. National mission on foundational literacy and numeracy. Digital content as much as possible and in multiple languages. Diksha, Swayam et al. Platforms. Focus on non-academic skills, language diversity and course fluidity beyond the language and STEM core, which is science, technology, engineering, mathematics core. Mandatory health and nutrition, physical education, fitness, wellness and sports. Reduced weight of school bags, bagless days. Integrated pedagogy, experiential learning, practice-based learning and peer tutoring. Knowledge of India, Lok Vidya. Open schools to offer equated alternative school curriculum and literacy and life enrichment programs. Small internships at school level and from school level. 3 languages with at least 2 Indian. Mother tongue at least till preparation stage, which is class 5. Sanskrit to be available as an option throughout. Other classical languages too. 2-level offerings in subjects. Testing of competency-based learning around analysis, critical thinking and conceptual clarity and twice a year. National Assessment Center, PARAC, includes performance assessment, review and analysis of knowledge for holistic development. Holistic Progress Card, bringing back out of school children. Libraries, National Book Promotion Policy. Higher Education Commission of India in lieu of UGC, AICTE et al. To manage National Higher Education Qualification Framework. Professional councils as professional standard setting bodies. Multidisciplinary education across. Multidisciplinary education and research universities, MERU. Stand-alone technical universities, health science universities, legal and agricultural universities, etc. including IITs to have holistic curriculum. 3 to 4 year undergraduate with multiple exit entry options with certificate 1, diploma 2, degree 3, degree with research 4. 1 to 2 year PG, which is post graduation. No MPhil, Master of Philosophy. Academic Bank of Credits, which is digital for credit transfer. National Research Foundation. Open and distance learning, including credit-based MOOCs, which is massive open online courses, e-education, National Educational Technology Forum, 3.5 crore more higher education seats. Research intensive, teaching intensive universities and autonomous degree granting colleges. National Scholarship Portal. School Standards Authorities, School Quality Assessment and Accreditation Framework, National Achievement Survey, 4-year integrated B.Ed, which is Bachelor of Education, 2-year B.Ed, 1-year B.Ed, gradually only graduates as teachers, local teacher education programs for eminent local persons as teachers on special course or subjects, national professional standards for teachers, academic leadership positions, gender sensitivity, special support to gifted, talented students, lifelong learning, adult education with foundational literacy and numeracy, critical life skills, vocational skills, basic education and continuing education, national education policy timelines for unveiling. There is no mention of residential schools. I guess these are embedded within. Friends make all the difference. Friends, friendships, they made all the difference in our lives. Let us be friends with life, nature, universe. Let us invest in nature and people, peers and children. Let us take all our relations to transcend to friendships. Our parents, siblings, children, teachers, students, colleagues, people I am with, so on. Let us be in nature's Gurukulam. Let us learn. Let us learn all day, all night. Let us learn when the trigger comes. Let us be ready for learning anytime, all through the day and all through the night. 2 in the morning is a good time. 4:30 in the morning is also a good time. 2 in the afternoon is a fine time. Let us exercise with soul, mind, indriya, body. Let us be fit. Let us have stamina for learning. Let us practice 10,000 hours. Giving, helping, loving, caring, being useful, mentoring. Let us listen to our friends. They let us back to be. They let us not go out of be. They let us become better in being in be. They let our eyes do not over the head. They bring the eyes back. They resist the eyes going up. Let us be in nature's Gurukulam. The day starts early for about 4 to 5 a.m. with exercise, yoga, meditation, dhyana, prayer and silence. Pre-breakfast, self-service, rotation of various duties and responsibilities. Nature's teachers are with us 24/7. Every day except Sunday, after a brief get-together, we are with the friends, teachers and peers. Several classes with breaks for breakfast, with water, tea or coffee, lunch. We study, friends available to help. Library works, group works, explorations, conversations with friends go on. Some tutorial, mandatory tasks, optional practices are sprinkled in. Some play, some prayer, and dinner followed by self-study. catching up conversations and learning from peers, the sleep or the wakefulness with closed eyes, the wake up call for the next day. Sunday is a maintenance day, seeing the world outside, some adventure. Friends are making us better as human beings, day by day, showing us to show compassion, kindness, generosity, giving us by just being with them intense experience, making us more sensitive and responsible, helping us to balance loving support now and ensuring future discipline and self-reliance, making us conscious of immense source of power within us and outside, and coping and dealing with it. We can be their limbs, not ourselves, several days and vice versa. Friends and friendships make all the difference in our lives. Let us be friends, friends with life and the universe. The way ahead is being friends with life, nature, and universe, and living with 7L, living happy, living simple, being together, living together, flowing together, touching lives, take us there. Being friends, take us there. People, take us there. Nature takes us there. You takes us there. Breath takes us there. Water takes us there. Generous, kind, loving, generalist, servant, integrator friendship takes us there. Let us be nature friends with nature portfolio. Let us invest in people, life, and nature. Let us give and be friends to nature, and nature gives friends to care us. Join us in the world of yoga now. Sneha Yoga for 7L, 7R. Krishna confirms he is friends with all nature's friends.